Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to overlay a confetti on a live camera preview using CameraX in native Android application. So let's get started. Now, to be completely honest with you, the confetti overlay code which I will be showing you, I have just copied it from the documentation of Android. I'm not really good at this, so yeah, don't expect me to explain it, but I'll just show you guys the code. Also, I'm using XML layout, but if feel free to use Jetpack Compose as well, because most of the business logic remains the same. Now the app is still building on my device. Also, I will be mirroring my device while showing you guys the output, so the output might be little bit laggy. Just bear with me. You should try to test it on your own real device, and you should not face any performance issues. So here okay, let me mirror my device. So here hopefully you guys can see that I have the application running. I'll just give it the camera permission while using the app. Okay, and here you can see now you might be wondering where is the confetti. It will, okay, I don't know why. Okay, like I said, there was a black part. I think that was issue with the mirroring software which Android provides, but here you can see on the right hand side the confetti is slowly coming. So this is the confetti. I know there are different types of confetti as well. Some of you might want it from the top as well, but yeah, I'm just giving you guys an example. It's up to you how you want to use it. This, like I said, the confetti code I've just copied it from the documentation. Maybe you can look into how to change the orientation of it. Now I can just click on take photo, and it should capture the photo for us. Okay, then I can just go to my files app, and here you can see the confetti has also been captured as part of our image. So yeah, that's it. Now let's see the code. So first you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you will have to use this camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera view, then Android X Media3 effect as well as Media3 effect. Now I am using version catalog, that's why the versions are defined inside libs.versions.toml. First here I have defined this camera core, then this camera 2, then this Media3 effect, which is alpha at the time of me recording this video, but if it does become stable by the time you guys watch the video, make sure you use the stable version. Now I think there is a new version of Media3 effect, that's why it is giving me this squiggly lines. I'll just update it to whatever is the latest. You should use whatever is the latest at the time of you guys watching the video. Then you should add this camera 2, camera core, camera view, camera lifecycle, then this Media3 effect, and as well as this particular Media3 effect. Once you have added all these lines of code, just click on sync now. It will download the dependencies for you. Then you will have to go to android manifest.xml. you have to add this uses feature of camera. Internet permission is not really required. Then the camera permission as well as the write external storage permission. Then you will have to go to activity_main, go to the code of it. Here you can see I'm defining our preview view. I'm constraining it to all sides of the screen, so the width and height is 0 dp, and I'm constraining it to all sides of the screen. Then here I have one button, I'm defining one id to it, so width and height is wrap content, text is take photo, and here I'm constraining it to the bottom of the screen. Then you have to define one, I think it is a Java, no, it is a Kotlin file. Okay, so like I said, I have just copied it from the documentation, so I'm not going to go through it. I'll simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video and just copy all this code. This is only related to confetti overlay, so you can just play around with this code and maybe do it however you feel like is correct for you. I'll just minimize this. So here these are all the things which are displayed inside our confetti. You can add your own things as well. So yeah, that's it. Now again, I'll just simply scroll through this up. Feel free to pause the video in case you have missed it. Okay, then you will have to go to main activity, and here firstly these are all the imports. Again feel free to pause the video and just copy these imports. Like there's not much I can do about it. I don't think we require this unstable. Okay, we do require this unstable because this confetti overlay is bit unstable. Like this confetti overlay is created using this stable Media 3 effect version. But it is one of the quirks of Android development that even if the library is stable, some of the APIs are a bit unstable. That's why at the time of me recording this video, I still have to add this unstable annotation. I think it was added in this confetti overlay as well, as you can see over here. So here is our image capture, then is our camera executor service, then here is our viewfinder as well as a button. Then here we have register for activity result, which request for multiple permissions. By default the value of this boolean is true. Then we just loop over it and make the value as false. Then if permission is false, then we just display a toast message, else we just call start camera. Then inside on create we initialize our viewfinder as well as our button, and on click of our button we just call take photo. If all permissions are granted, we just call start camera, else we call request permission. Here we initialize our camera executor as well. Then inside take photo, if image capture is null, then we just return, else we create a name for our file using simple date format. Here is our content values dot apply, where we use the display name, mime type. If version greater than p, then we set the relative path as well. Then here we do image capture dot output file options dot builder. Then here we just do image capture dot take picture. We override two methods. Inside on image saved, you get the URI of the saved image as well. So if you want, you can display it inside an image view. Then we just do camera executor dot shutdown. Then here is our start camera, for we define aspect ratio strategy as well as one resolution selector. Then here we have this process camera provider as well. Then we just do camera provider future dot add listener. Then we just do camera provider future dot get. Here we define our preview view as well. Then here we define our image capture as well. Then this is the back of our camera. Then we do use case group builder dot build, add the preview as well as image capture use case. Here we define our Media3 effect. Then here we define texture overlay, we add our confetti overlay. Then we do list of overlay effect, passing the overlays builder dot build. Then we just add it to our use case group builder. Then we do camera provider dot unbind all, bind to the life cycle. Then we just define one method called request permission for getting the permission, one all permissions granted, just to check whether permissions were properly received or not. On inside on destroy, we just do camera executor dot shutdown, and here we just define a file name format variable. Here we have this required permissions as well, where we just do add camera permission, and if it is less than p or equal to p, then we also require the write external storage permission. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.